Hello everyone. Today I am going to deal with a very important topic of criminal law, that is hierarchy of the criminal courts. So the Supreme Court of the India is the apex body to hear any matter or any case in which punishment up to any level can be given, but as according to the prescribed by law. The same is for the High Court of India. If we see the lower courts, then the hierarchy is as follows, which we can understand through the given flow chart. So basically, in the lower courts, there are two types of court, that is the session court, and the second one is the court of magistrates. So the appeal lies from the magistrate courts to the session courts. In the session court there are basically three types of judges, that is session judge, additional session judge, and assistant session judge. So the session judge and additional session judge have the same power, that is to pass any sentence and to hear any matter. But whenever it passes a death sentence to any person or any accused, then it is subject to the confirmation of the High Court. And the assistant session judge have power to hear the matter uh, in which punishment is up to 10 years, and it can impose fine up to any limit as prescribed by the law. And if we see the court of magistrate, then there are basically two types of magistrates, that is court of judicial magistrate and court of executive magistrate. And court of judicial magistrate is further divided into two parts, that is for metropolitan areas and for other areas. So in metropolitan areas there are four types of, we can say then there are four types of judges, that is chief metropolitan magistrate, which is known as CMM, and second one is additional metropolitan magistrate, the third one is metropolitan magistrate, and the fourth one is the special metropolitan magistrate. And if we see in the other areas, then there are chief judicial magistrate, additional chief judicial magistrate, and judicial magistrate of first class, and judicial magistrate of second class, and special judicial magistrate. And if see on the other side, that is court of executive magistrate, then there are four types of executive magistrate, that is district magistrate or DM, additional district magistrate, and sub district magistrate, and the special executive magistrate, which is also known as SEM. So if we see uh, a little bit of their powers, or in which cases they can be deal. So the chief judicial magistrate and the chief metropolitan magistrate and additional judicial magistrate and the additional metropolitan magistrate have the same power, that it can deal the cases in which punishment is up to 7 years, and it can impose fine up to any limit as prescribed by the law. But judicial magistrate of first class can impose the fine up to 10,000, and it can deal with the cases in which punishment is up to 3 years. The same is for the metropolitan magistrate.